Hi guys, it's Michelle. Gosh, I'm trying to figure out how to work this thing. I'm technically challenged. Okay, I think I've got, whoop, whoop, son of a gun. Okay, I decided to do a series on the SOFLO colors, and this is one I did off camera. And I happened to notice that the paint broke a little bit here, and it was this culprit, the Golden's Permanent Dark Violet. And what I did was I wanted to thin it out, so I used the Jasonia varnish to thin it out. However, I had already used the Brite tone for my pouring medium. So I don't think that those two varnishes played very well together. I don't mind it. I mean, once it's varnished, it'll probably look a lot better, but it kind of gives it like a sandy kind of hue to it. So, but there's a lot of shimmer, a lot of pretty colors to this, and this was a pour over too. So on that note, I did the stripes the other day, which was in a previous video, and that was this one. And I love these colors. They are just wonderful. And I'm gonna try and do a bloom. I'm gonna use the same colors and possibly the same order, but I'm gonna do a bloom. I just wanna check these colors out with different techniques. So let's get to rocking and rolling here. All right, I've got a 14 by 14. This is a level 1 because I've run out of my level 3s. Tape the back, and I'm putting it on a turntable because I'm thinking I'm gonna spin it. And it's not really fitting too well. Oh, yeah, it's okay. I just won't leave it there because I don't think it's level. So we're gonna start with our Glidden's House Paint Premium Base 3 in white. So I'm just spreading this paint around. I like doing the spins. To me, they're fun. They're a lot of fun. Now my CA, my cell activator, has been sitting for a day, so it's a little bit on the runny side, but I kind of want it like that so I can get lots of lacing when I blow. And put a little bit more in the center, just a little bit on the edges. Wiggle it just a little bit. All right, here we go. My colors. I've gone over these colors before. This is the Pebeo Studio Acrylics scent. Oh, violet blue. Absolutely, totally different. I'm gonna make like a messy center. All right, so I can put down, although that has iridescent in it, I'm going to put down the iridescent violet on top of that too. Colourarte's iridescent violet and the blingets. This is Golden's Cobalt Teal, one of my favorites. And we are going to go with, this is also Colourarte, and it is called Autumn Leaf. Really pretty color. It's got, almost turns like a sandy color. Oh, there's a big old blob there. I want to make sure I get enough color down so that it goes all the way to the edge. Okay, now I'm going to put down, this is Quinacridone Magenta Liquitex Basics. what caused my paint to split the other day, but this does not. It only has the bright tone in it this time. I did not thin it out. And it's the Glidden's Permanent Violet Dark. Then I'm going to put down, this is Colourarte's Blingets Iridescence in, I put green and gold together. That's so pretty. And I will do the gold. This is Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold by DecoArt. I'm hoping that a lot of the metallics will make a lot of lacing too. And last but not least, my favorite, and this is Amsterdam Greenish Blue. I'm hoping this works out. It's a really nice color combination. Okay, pushing everything over to the side because when I do my spins, I let it rip. See, here's my, that's pretty thin. So I'm going to put quite a bit of it down. Take the stick out and POA. Here we go. All right, ready for the blue. Oh, geez. Up from way high. Well, I do have some lacing. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or two. Let's see what else comes up. And I'm gonna get my trusty straw and blow right in the center there. Yeah, this is not really quite on there. Let me get some more paint down here. I'm really loving these colors. Oh my gosh. I'll be putting the pouring medium recipe. It's Jen Neal's recipe. Love that girl. And put that in the description. I'm hoping this sticks. Let me see, I gotta make sure I got clearance. All right, it's fallen off the side there, so let me tilt it over here a little bit. There we go. Now it's tilted to that side, so. Oh, pretty. Oh my God, I love those colors. Okay, now, see, I'm really liking this here. I don't want to lose a whole lot of it, so at this point, I may tilt. because that's going to, otherwise that's going to go right off. It is gorgeous. Oh, oh hell yeah, heck yeah. Oh man, I might even keep some negative space, but I got to make sure that there's enough paint that's taken off. Whoops, there you are. Oops. Okay. Now, I'm really liking this guy here too. So I'm gonna bring it over this way. I always got to find where your center is, where the weight of the paint is, before you tilt. Oh, I am just loving this. And it's not even really a bloom, it's just kind of like, oh, a color explosion. And here we come this way. Stretching it out. All right. Let's come back. Here, let me move this. Well, I might use it again. Bringing the paint back to center. And then off to this side. Yeah, I think I might be keeping a little negative space on this. I'm just loving the colors. Oh man, this is better than my other ones. Yeah, the one I did on camera with the stripes, it's really stripy, but it's very colorful. This one I really like. I really don't tilt very well, so my the swipe I did yesterday that I didn't have on camera was mediocre. It's actually one of my better swipes, but it's nothing like this. Ooh, my goodness. Okay, I'm going to take this off of here because I know that it is not, it's not balanced. And then I'm going to take you down for a close-up. Oh, I love it. I might blow a little bit with my mouth over there. Hang on a second. Running out of gloves. Isn't everybody? Oh, jeez. Nope, it's, you know what? There's enough paint off of there. It's not gonna crack. Nope, it's not going anywhere. I'm leaving it just the way it is. All right, I'm gonna take you down for a close-up. All right, guys, this is lights off. And I have my, oh my God, look at how it blends. Oh, I love all the colors and all the shimmer. Look at that lacing, look at those cells. Oh. Oh. Not quite sure, I like the center. I might do something with that, but oh man. And I don't mind leaving a little bit of white on it just to save the painting. Yeah, right here. That's my negative space. It's an explosion of colors.